If you're seeing the error app integrity could not be verified on your iPhone, here's how to fix it step by step. First of all, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. This error often appears when your device cannot contact Apple's server. Next, restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart clears the temporary cache and fixes the issue. After that, update your iPhone to the latest version. And to do that, go to your Settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into Software Update and install any available updates. This ensures your iPhone has the latest security fixes and app support. Then, delete the app showing the error, then reinstall it from the App Store. And if it's a third-party or side-loaded app, make sure it's properly signed and trusted. Then, go back to the General Settings menu and scroll down, then tap on VPN and Device Management. Here, on the Enterprise app, tap the developer name and then tap on Trust. Likewise, check date and time settings, and for that, go back to the General Settings menu and tap on Date and Time. Here, turn on Set Automatically. Incorrect time can block app verification. And if none of this helps, it's possible the app certificate has expired or it was installed from an untrusted source. In that case, you will need to contact the app provider or install a fresh, signed version. And that's all. The app should now open without errors. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.